all things being equal, i.e. you've got the budget to do it, I guesstimate 75 days of stock. That's what my strategy is. So I look at when I'm launching a product, so I should clarify, when I'm launching a product for the first time on Amazon, part and parcel of my strategy is to give away some of that stock for free in exchange for, well, tacitly in exchange for reviews. Of course, you can never say, oi, I've just given you some stuff, now give me a review. You can never say that, but you have a tacit understanding that if they got something for free or for a discount, then it would be jolly nice of them to leave you a sparkling 5-star review. Of course, that's a tacit understanding rather than an explicit one. So I look to give away approximately 15 days worth of supply, and then leaving me 60 days, so 75 days total I order, leaving me 60 days to sell in my shop. So 2 months supply. That's what my target is. Now, how do you arrive at what 75 days worth of supply is? Well, it's actually pretty tricky to do. It used to be very, very easy to do because you could do something called the 999 hack, but the 999 hack is, let's have a look at this. 999 hack has, for the most part, been so well publicized, and that's the problem with talking about these hacks out in the open, is that they get taken and then they get publicized, then they go everywhere and then they shut down, of course. But for the most part, the 999 hack used to, or still does, work like this. But for the most part, many people now know about the hack, and therefore they've shut it down. But here's how it used to work. Let's see if it does work. So first things first, you would do a search for your product category on your main buying keyword on Amazon, and that would bring back a slew of different results, and you would take the top 10 of those results, open each of them up so you're landing on the product page like this, and then you would add it to cart, and you do this for all 10, okay? And then you would edit your cart. Oh, anybody that hasn't got that book yet, Marketing to Mums, that's a Pippa McCreary, who's one of our coaches' recommendation. Awesome book. You should definitely get it. It's brilliant, particularly if you're planning to sell to mums. And for the most part, everybody who buys on Amazon is a mum. Most mums do most of the shopping on Amazon. All right, so then you'd come up to where it says quantity, go to 10 plus, put in 999, which is the maximum Amazon would allow you to do. And then what we're trying to establish is, will this particular seller allow us to order 999 of their product? And some people have shut it down, but the default is you can order multiple products, okay? Let's just see. So this seller has set a limit of 20 per customer. So they have figured out that this is 999 hack, so they've stopped us doing it. But what used to happen, and still does on some listings, is that you would then see exactly how many units the seller actually has in stock. It would say this seller only has 742 units in stock, etc. And then you do that over the course of 7 days. And the next day, this seller only has 730 units in stock. Day after that, 718 units in stock. And so you'd see that they were selling 12 units a day. And then you do that for all 10. You get the average of all 10, and that would then form the basis of your initial order. You'd order 75 times the average sales volume of the top 10 people. That's how it used to work. And it does still work in some categories, so you should go and check it out for sure, because not everybody has figured out it's a hack, particularly new sellers. They haven't figured it out, okay? Having said that, for the most part, now you're going to have to guess. And that sucks, but it's true. Even things like Jungle Scout and Unicorn Crusher and people like that, who say they're going to give you the data about how many sales get made. They do not, because Amazon does not release that data. It does not have an API for that data. Therefore, everybody guesses. It sucks, but it's just the way it is. So you'll have to take a bit of a punt on it. And a bit of a punt is going to be, I'm thinking maybe between 5 and 10 sales a day, something like that is what I'm going to go for. And it's that kind of thing. It's unfortunate, but it's just the way it is, okay? And if you're looking for a kind of quick and dirty, how many should I order? I'm going to say somewhere between 150 and 250 is a reasonable first order for a product category if you're selling on Amazon.com. If you're selling in Australia, then 100, 150 is very, very reasonable if you're selling in Australia. Oh, I should mention, there's the lovely Sue Josephson online. If she is, she will be shouting at me through the screen. She's not. That's good. That's great. So ebay.com.au actually shows you how many per day people sell. So they actually do say, let's go into fitness equipment and let's look at, I won't click on that, cardio equipment, treadmills. Let's just take the first one, shot by brand. So they will give you the information about how many got sold and when they got sold. So that information is right here. And so you can get at least an idea about how many sales get made on eBay. And if you use that as a down and dirty calculation for Amazon here in Australia, you're not going to go too far wrong, and it's better than just kind of spitting in the wind at it, you know what I mean? So you could try that. That's also a good thing to do, Simon, as well. And the next level of that is to use a lovely, lovely piece of software that I've talked about before, that Sue uses, called Terapeak. And you can get a free trial of Terapeak, and it will give you the exact data for lots of different markets on eBay, okay? Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.